is the sum of four different positive prime integers an odd integer. Okay, I've written the prime numbers here, and I want you to note that 2 is a prime number, but it's the only one that is even. All the rest of them are odd. So look at clue 1. One of the integers is 11. Well, we could take 11 plus 2, and that would give me 13. That's odd, but what if I took 11 plus 3? That's going to give me 14. That's it. That's even. In fact, if you took 11 plus 5, it's going to give you 16. So if you add two odd numbers, it's going to give you an even number, okay? This doesn't work. Number 2, one of the integers is 2. If you take 2, an even number, and you add to it an odd number, it's always going to give you an odd number. So 2 plus 3, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 7, it doesn't matter. It's always going to be odd. So clue 2 works. The answer is B.